Man, I've been waiting for this game all week.
Yeah, me too. What do you want?
Definitely the Patriots. I'm a huge fan.
Yeah, I am too.
Yeah. Hey, I hope you don't mind. My friend Hudson's gonna come over in a little bit. He's a pretty cool guy. No need to worry.
Alright, sounds good. I actually met him the other week, and he gave me his phone number. It's kind of weird.
Oh, really? Where at?
It was at that block party last Tuesday. He was pretty cool, but he's kind of annoying.
Yeah, I've known him for a while now. We went to high school together.
Oh, really? Sounds like you've known him longer than me.
Yeah, we ran that high school.
You guys must have been really cool in high school.
Hey, so my girlfriend and I's anniversary is coming up this week, and I don't know what to get her. Any suggestions?
Yeah, you should probably get on that. Probably just something unique so it's special.
Yeah, good call.
It's open!
What's up, man? What's up, guys? What's going on with this game right now? 24-17, Pats are up. Man. What's up, Oliver?
What's up, dude? Yo, we should actually move this post over to the living room. It's a little cramped in here.
Yeah, I agree. Sweet.
Yeah, I'm using the bathroom real quick.
Yo, you see that bird?
Yeah, dude. Thing's gotta be worth a couple $100. I wonder where he got it.
Alright, man. That thing is nice. Real nice.
Wow, what a finish.
That was a hell of a game.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to the house.
Yeah, I'm gonna come with you. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick first.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, see you guys.
See ya.
Yeah, everything's good. Work hasn't been too bad lately. Had a lot of free time. Yeah, I still have that bird. Keep it right here on my... No, everything's fine. I'm gonna need to call you back though. Alright, love you too. Bye. That thing was just right there. Bet Hudson took it.
$220 East Nelson, please.
Hello? Where's what?
The bird. It's my great grandma's before she died, and then my mom gave it to me for my birthday. Not to mention it was pretty expensive.
Dude, chill out. I have no idea what you're talking about. Dude, what? Hello?
What was that about?
It's Oliver, man. He thinks I stole that bird that we saw in his room. Why would I do that?
Yeah.
You know I hate birds.
That's weird.
I mean, I can understand you wanting it, maybe to give your girlfriend for her anniversary. But
Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't worry about it, man. It's kind of a head case.
yeah, you're right.
Alright, I'm gonna grab something to eat. You want anything?
No, I'm good. You gonna grab a phone charger?
Yeah, front pocket.
Sweet, man. What the
What are you doing here?
I talked to you.
Alright. Came to give back what you stole and apologize?
Not quite.
What are you doing here, thief?
Matt took it. I saw it in his backpack.
What?
Sorry, man. I know you guys have been friends forever and we just met. That's the truth.
Dude, he wouldn't do that.
He has to go to the anniversary dinner with his girlfriend tonight. He needed to get her a present.
Look, I've known Matt for a long time, and he just wouldn't do that. Should probably get out of here.
Alright, I'll leave. But I'm just telling you, man. That's the truth.
Sounds like something you'd say if you stole my bird. What the? Is that my bird? Hudson was telling the truth. Gotta go, Hudson.
Hello?
Dude, I'm so sorry. I just saw the Instagram that Matt threw up with the bird. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry. I really should have believed you.
Yeah, man. I told you he did it. All I'm saying is fact check next time before you come at me. No hard feelings.
And maybe we could hang out sometime?
I don't think I'm going to come over to hang out.
Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, my bad, dude. See, it was last second. I didn't have a gift for Jennifer yet, so I just decided to take it.
Dude, what? You knew you stole it the entire time. Whatever, just give it to me back. Dude, just give me the bird back, or else I'm gonna tell Jennifer that you hooked up with that chick in spring break last year.
All right, whoa. Come on, you know I love Jennifer. Fine. I'll bring it back tomorrow after class. All right. Well, are we still on for that kickback on Saturday night for the game?
Nah, dude, kickback canceled.